Hello everybody, today let me introduce Type 1000 crusher produced by our Changzhou Dayun. The crusher mainly have a feeding hob and upper box body, a lower box body, a main shaft, a main motor, a hydraulic system, and an electrical control cabinet. The main motor drives the main shaft through a belt conveyor to rotate at a high speed to cut and smash the material. The drive of hydraulic system is large and cylinder is small, respectively control the opening and closing of the box and the screen frame. There are two large and small cylinders in each group, which are arranged on the left and right side of the box. Now, let me explain to you how to operate the opening and closing the box and the screen frame. First, let's look at the control box of the hydraulic system. The two self-resetting knobs control the movement of the two cylinders respectively. Before the box is open, we need to remove the box fixing bolts, then clicking the operation knob to see if the direction of the cylinder is correct. At this time, we can see the pressure on the hydraulic system is rising, and the pressure is usually set at about 6 MAP. If the operation works fine, could slowly open the box and stop when it is at the right angle. And then we need to fix the safety support on the side of the box to prevent the hydraulic system from releasing pressure and the upper box falling and dangerous. After the box is open, let's look the interior structure of the box. This is the main shaft, and the main shaft is equal with a moving knife. The moving knife is fixed on the main shaft by bolts and the pressing plate. On this side, the fixed knife is also fixed on the lower box body by bolts and the pressing plate. The moving and fixed knife move with each other to cut the material. When we need to replace the blade, just loose and remove the bolts of the fixed blade. Then replace the blades and adjust the gas between the movable knife and the fixed knife. Under normal condition, the control gas is about 0.2 to 0.3 mm. During the process of replacing the blades, should be careful to protect the blades to prevent the blades from hurting the hub. After the tool change is complete, we need to check whether there are any remaining bolts, tools extra inside the cabinet. If these things are left in the cabinet, it will cause great trouble when the machine is turned on again. Next, let's look at the operation step of cleaning or replacing the screen. First, we lose the top screw on the back of the machine. And then operate the other knobs of the hydraulic control box, which is also the first point to observe, and then continue to move. Open the screen frame to a certain extra. Then we can carry out internal inspection, cleaning, maintain, and so on. Here again, there are two solenoid valves on the hydraulic system, respectively control the two cylinders. The two knobs under the solenoid valves respectively control the speed adjustment of the cylinder inlet and outlet ports, and the rotation of the arrow indicate the movement speed of the cylinder. The relief valve under the motor adjusts the working pressure of the internal system. After we finish checking or repairing the machine, repeat the previous action to close the screen frame. The safety support should be removed before the box is closed, and the safety support can be fixed on the upper box. Just pay attention to opening and closing time. Lock the rear fixing bolts after closing the cabinet. In this case, we can start the machine after equipment is overhauled.